Hello, and welcome to today's lesson on the $1,000,000 prompts. My name is Eunice. I go by Nurse Eunice, and I am delighted to have you here today. Thank you for joining the VIP Boss Nurse Academy Masterclass series. You're going to learn a lot. So let's dive right in. Today, we're going to discuss unlocking executive level results with AI. That's right, with artificial intelligence. That is how I was able to scale my business and to also decrease my dependence on a human workforce. Let's get started, team. So, our introduction. Why do prompts equal profits? So, here's the truth. The difference between a good answer and a $1,000,000 answer, it's not the AI, it's the prompt. That is right. It's what you program, it's what you ask the artificial intelligence chatbot. So, executives aren't wasting time asking basic questions. No, we're crafting strategic prompts that pull out solutions, systems, and strategies that we can implement instantly. So, this course, including this ebook, is your fast pass into the boardroom of AI power players. By the end, you'll know how to create prompts that save time, scale ideals, and multiply your money and your effort. Next, let's talk about the executive edge. What can prompts do for CEOs? When used correctly, prompts can generate business strategies in seconds, draft contracts, proposals, and presentations, streamline marketing campaigns, create systems and standards of operations that free up your time, predict challenges and offer solutions before you hit roadblocks. Bottom line, executives like us don't just use prompts, we leverage them as tools for scale. And I know this is the part that you're most excited about. I'm going to teach you how to write a $1,000,000 prompt. That is right. So go ahead and get pen and paper available. So think of your prompt like a prescription. If you're vague, the results will be generic. However, if you're precise, the results will be powerful. So here's a formula for your $1,000,000 prompt. First, let's talk about the role or the persona. Who should the AI act as? Should they act as a journalist, a Fortune 500 business strategist, or a master content creator? Next, what is your task or goal? Do you want it to develop a 90-day content creation calendar, or what about a 90-day scaling plan? Better yet, ask it to develop your business plan. Context. What details matter? So now is when you can tell it more about you, your vision, and your goals. I need you to create this business plan for a nurse entrepreneur who's looking to scale her therapy business. Awesome, right? Format. How should it deliver it? Should it be delivered in a step by step action plan with deadlines? Or would you prefer a spreadsheet? Should it use a professional tone, a bold, or a motivational tone? Look, this AI agent is here to serve you. All you have to do is learn how to prompt it. So now let's put it together. Here's one you can swipe and drop directly into our personal, that's right, it's for our group, our Boss Nurse Academy GPT. I've uploaded so much great information into this GPT, it is going to help you a lot. Here's your prompt. You can edit it as you see fit. You are an executive business strategist for a new entrepreneur. Create a 90-day action plan that helps a content creator launch a profitable online course. Include weekly tasks, marketing strategies, potential revenue streams, and automation tools. Deliver in a motivational, boss up tone that speaks to ambitious leaders who are ready to scale. That's right, team. And now that you know how to create your $1,000,000 prompt, where will you use them? So again, you can click on the clickable link that's in your ebook in order to access the Nurse Eunice Academy custom GPT. Once you create your customized prompts, you can then use the information generated in your business meetings to prep strategy docs. You can speed up grant proposals, pitch decks and presentations. Maybe you want to create your content calendars, your social media posts, or the text that you include in your ads. We call that ad copy. You can also map out systems, you can hand directly to your team. That's right, you can create a document that will streamline your work processes. So if there is a tedious task, you can actually input that task into the Boss Nurse Academy custom GPT. Then from there, you can delegate who is responsible for what duty, and then allow the custom GPT to do its job and to make your job a lot easier. So, what are our takeaways from this lesson? Prompts are the new power tool of executives. Be specific. Vague prompts equals vague results. Use the $1 million formula. Remember, you need to prompt the AI chatbot. What is its role? What task would you like completed? Give it some context, give it more detailed information. What format would you like the information delivered in? And what type of tone? Remember, we're going to need different tones for different audiences. The more professional tone, think of your more mature clientele. Maybe a fun or tone could be for those who are on TikTok. You're going to learn so much in the Boss Nurse Academy, and I am so glad that you are here with us. So, plug into the Boss Nurse Academy GPT to test, refine, and execute. Treat prompts like an executive assistant on demand and watch your work. Team, here is my final word for this lesson. Remember that executives just don't work harder, they work smarter. So, $1 million prompts aren't about playing with AI. Not at all. They're about commanding AI to deliver the strategies and systems that you need to scale. So let me ask you this. Are you ready to stop Googling like an amateur and start prompting like a boss nurse CEO? You have so much to learn, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.